Welcome to episode 4 of my Foods from Film series. Today we are doing another food from the film Your Name. The creator of this scene knew exactly what they were doing by combining croquettes and a simple Japanese egg sandwich. I am not exaggerating when I say this combination was so damn good.
Combining two of my favorite things. Alright, it's Doc Chloe H. We're gonna try this out today! Oh.
Hello.
Okay, so I'm at Family Mart and I am aware I look like a crazy person. If you have a checklist of things that you need to survive Okinawa summer, make sure you add a towel to the list because it is so freaking useful when it's hot outside and your car doesn't have air conditioning. It's fantastic. Our air conditioning broke and it's gonna cost us like $700 to $800 to fix it. So Matt and I are going AC-less and it's 87 degrees Fahrenheit outside and 77% humidity. I am sweating my imaginary balls off right now, but we're gonna go ahead and go inside Family Mart where it's air conditioned cool and grab the stuff for this TikTok hack. Thanks. All right, let's go. Oh shit.ファミコロ牛、ファミコロ一つお願いします。
はい、ありがとうございます。
So I bought the stuff and I was actually gonna just go ahead and do it in the car, but then I got back in my car and I was like, Nabby, it's way too hot. I also have tofu that I just bought from the grocery store in the car and they need a cold place to stay, as do I, so we're gonna go ahead and go home. So they didn't have just the egg salad sandwich, they had the ham, cheese, and egg sandwich, which I figured it has the egg in it. I'm sure it's fine, it doesn't have to be exactly the same. I was half considering going to a different Family Mart and finding an egg salad sandwich, but to repeat myself, it is 87 degrees Fahrenheit with 77% humidity. I'm not gonna go all over town trying to look for the specific egg salad sandwich. So this is gonna have to do. Let's go home and try it out. So there's two things that I love more than anything else in the world. And that's an egg salad sandwich from Japan and a korokke. I kind of have an idea of like what it's gonna taste like. And I mean, it's an egg salad sandwich and a croquette. Like this little thing. With my IBS, I don't eat a lot of deep fried food anymore, but I will make an exception for this little golden nugget of joy. Like this thing, I mean, you can't go wrong with deep fried potatoes with minced meat and onions. I'm pretty sure it's gonna taste amazing. I mean, these ingredients, you can't go wrong with any of this. Like there's just no way. So like I said, when we were at Family Mart, this one might not be exactly the same as the ladies' TikTok because this one has ham and cheese in it. I'm just assuming that's going to be an added benefit. I don't think that'll take away from the flavor. I think if anything, it'll add to it. My IBS is acting up and I really shouldn't be eating this, but one bite isn't going to kill me.
It wasn't too long after this that she found out how wrong she was.
We're gonna go ahead and, oh, hear that crunch. Here, let me see if I can get the mic to you guys. Oh, hear that crunch. So ASMR-y. Are you guys sick of me yet? Should I make it more ASMR-y? Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, you know what? I should get a paper. No, I'm too lazy to get a paper towel. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put it in there like so. Oh my gosh, that looks amazing already. You know what? I could actually just make this an egg salad sandwich. I just realized because I literally have just the egg salad part. Oh, wait, we can make this work. That's gonna be fun. I just had a brilliant idea. Okay, we're gonna do a taste test. First, we're gonna try it just with the egg salad, and then I'm gonna do a little combination doohickey with the ham and cheese, see which one tastes better. Oh my gosh, I'm a genius. I'm glad I grabbed this plate, making a mess here. Nobody in the world can't tell me that doesn't look delicious. Okay, I am gonna need a paper towel. Give me one second. I'll just put you guys down right there. Don't go away. Don't click away. Don't change the channel. Okay. Oh, I got it. Okay, so while I got your attention, make sure you guys hit the like button and the subscribe button for more of this riveting content that I bring to you once a week on a Wednesday. So here's the croquette and egg salad part. Here we go. I mean, it's amazing. But I knew it was going to be, you know, like, it's amazing. It's so good. But I'm not surprised because I knew that the combination between the croquette and the egg salad was going to be a hit. Like, I knew that was going to be the case. I mean, you could just look at the two ingredients and be like, yeah, damn, that's probably going to be the best sandwich ever. Let's go ahead and try it with the ham and the cheese. We're going bougie. That girl on TikTok don't even know what hit her because I'm taking it up a notch with the ham and cheese. So you know what's the craziest thing? Like, I knew it was gonna be good, so my reaction is super muted. Kind of feeling bad because I thought I was gonna be like, oh my god, it's like the best thing I've ever had. But it's good. I knew it was gonna be good. I'm not surprised. I mean, duh. The convenience stores here in Japan make fantastic egg salad sandwiches or ham, cheese, and egg salad sandwiches, and their croquettes are amazing. So you combine the two of them and heck yeah, they're gonna be good. But what the girl didn't do was she didn't put the croquette sauce on it, which is just like an Worcestershire, I can't even say it. The Worcestershire sauce. Go ahead and add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce on this. See if it tastes any better. And just a little dab right there. We're just gonna try it with the egg salad and then we're gonna try it with the combination of both. Okay. Oh man, that could almost be a commercial with the sauce dripping down. This is the one with just the egg salad and now with the sauce on it. I mean, it just keeps getting better and better. Okay, now this one is the ham, cheese, and egg with the croquette and the sauce. Yeah, it's super good. It's super good. Stupid good, actually. This might be a really terrible combination that I figured out because I'm probably gonna get a craving for this. Oh my god, okay. I know I said one bite, but it's okay. I'll take the regret later on. This thing is so good. If you're living in Japan and you want to try this out for yourself, I got mine from Family Mart. Personally, for me, I think Family Mart makes the best egg salad sandwich, then Lawson's, then 7-Eleven, but they all make really good croquettes. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and try it out. Especially if you like these individually already, I think you are definitely gonna enjoy it as a combination of both. This is like hitting the spot, trust me. I don't eat like this on a regular basis. This is a very rare occasion thing. Every once in a while, you just need to treat yourself and do your body some harm. What a better way than a deep fried potato patty and a mayonnaise laced egg salad sandwich. I can't stop eating it. It's so good. All right, I'll see you guys next week. Peace.